This is another rant video about me transitioning to living in Riverside, and there's been a lot of good and a lot of bad. And if you know anything about me, I like things like parks. I discovered the nearby park is called White Park, and it's the only park that I've ever seen closes their gates at 5 p.m. and B has a no loitering warning. That's right. If you're going to be at this park, you better spend money. Another puzzling piece of this puzzle is the public library, the Riverside Main Library to be exact, which is a beautiful structure that is just bizarrely dangerous and poorly thought out. Let me show you. This visually impressive but piss poor design library is the Riverside Main Library. Things to keep in mind about this library. The entrance to the library is right in this elevator bay right here. That's right, there's no ground access to the library. There's a security person right there. Super nice person. But yeah, so the idea is two elevators take you up, and that's how everyone gets into the library. I have no idea what they do in case of a fire. I'm sure there's a staircase somewhere. But holy heck, only one way in, only one way out for the most part. Personally, that sounds like a death trap. And it does not play well with my fear of heights, that's for sure. It does not. I mean, it looks cool though, so yay.